Hi Anushka,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, Anushka, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side, okay? Before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Anushka.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Anushka, introduce yourself and about your native and your college.
Okay, I'm Anushka Patil. I'm from Maharashtra. I was born and brought up in Daman, and I did my degree in civil engineering from the one government engineering college. And after that, I thought of pursuing this course from CMTI. I chose the IDM course here, and after that, I got a call for the interview from LiveSpace, and I got placed in LiveSpace recently, and I'll be joining soon.
Okay, Anushka, have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I got to know the about it through online sources only. I searched it on online, so from there I got to know about it.
Okay, I think you are active in the social medias, right? You are making the use of social media.
Yes.
Okay, Anushka, for which course you have joined for?
Right now in CMTI, I joined interior design management course.
Okay, what are the new topics you have learned in interior designing?
Okay, everything that I learned here was new for me because I belong from the civil background, and everything was really quite useful and something that I didn't knew before. Like for example, all the basics of interior. Apart from that, I also learned about the cut list, how the calculation and all is done, material specification, what kind of materials to be used in which place, particularly in which room, and all the hardwares that are available, minifix and all. So I learned quite a lot of things here. Apart from that, we also had the site visits and factory visits, which was really useful for us, which gave us the exposure towards how the work is done practically on site.
Okay, can you name few site visits where you have visited and what the things you have learned in the site visits?
Sure. So we visited the sites like IKEA showroom visits that we did was like IKEA, Home Lane, IBO. We also went to the art exhibition that was held here in Bangalore. We learned a lot of things there, like what kind of color combinations that goes together, the material, the plywood that is used in kitchen cabinets. We also learned about the standard heights and all, which basically is used in kitchen and wardrobe. We learned about the Aristo wardrobes as well. Uh, and the factory visits we did, in that we learned how the basic preparation is done, like how the modular kitchens, the plywood laminates and all are made in the factory.
Okay, Anushka. How was the preparation for your interview? How you prepared your interview? How you started preparing for the interviews?
The tutors from the CMTI, they also guided us how we should prepare in the interview. They gave us few example questions, like which questions can be asked, and we prepared with their guidance only. And all the questions that the interviewer asked were exactly the same that we were taught in the institute. So it was a lot helpful.
Okay, Anushka, for which role you have selected for?
Interior designer plus sales.
Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about your training?
Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with my placement, and I'm also satisfied with the training that was provided here because I learned a lot of things here, and I also got the exposure, as I said earlier, through the site visits and all. So definitely, it was a right choice to opt for CMTI Institute, and I'm also pretty satisfied with the placement that I have got, as LiveSpace is a MNC company, and it is a good company. So.
Okay, thank you, Anushka, for your feedback. Nice talking with you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.